Dewalt air compressor over here. I just bought this for $100 and the digital display is not working. I'm going to show you guys how to open it up and maybe troubleshoot it if you need to change a battery or something. I'm going to show you guys how to get inside. By the way, it's a nice air compressor. That's how you turn it on to jump start. Make sure this is on if you were going to use the jumper cables. Also USB, this lights up and it's probably going to say something here if this did work, but it doesn't. I got scammed. Light, when you hit the light, it has lights on the back. This is how you charge it. That plug right there is for the car charger that comes with it if you want to use the car charger. Also, there is a air compressor that works great. Everything works great except for my digital display. And this is the head of the air compressor for you guys who are thinking about getting one of these. And I think it's going to cost about $200 new. Turn that off so it shuts up. Air compressor, you push air and that turns on eventually. Maybe if the USB's off. Okay, you saw that didn't work when the USB was on. It's probably using too much power. So, I guess you could use multiple things. You gotta hit the button twice. I don't know what up and down is because I can't see anything. Other than that, it looks nice. Pretty heavy. Unscrew all the screws if you're gonna want to get inside of here. Let me turn that light off real quick. Light. That's all. And then unscrew all the screws right here, anywhere where you see screws on the back, and they're all on the back. And I actually had to use a butter knife to pry it open because there is a clip on this side and the other side to pry it open. So take a butter knife and you just go back and forth until it pops. There's two clips on the side. This is one of them right here that's clipped in, and there's one on the opposite side. And also what's gonna stop you from getting in here is this metal thing right here that's dug in there. You just have to like pry it open really hard. On the back here, what you have, that plug on the other side is actually like a power pack, which they've put inside of here, maybe so people don't lose them. Pretty cool idea. You could probably take that out if you wanted to do that, but why would you, right? Stupid idea. Also, most of the weight of this thing is this battery. There's a huge battery in here. What do you got? You got your jumper cables that are plugged into here. So you got that going to positive. If you wanted to replace the battery here, I'm sure you could find one of these. Be a lot cheaper for you guys to do. So maybe there's something you want to read there. So I'll leave that there so you can pause it. It says SEL, model number SN12021, 12 volt, 21 AH. So if you guys are looking to replace yours, it probably could be found. Also on the back there's a digital display circuit board. For some reason mine's not working. I'm gonna look for loose connections and troubleshoot it. Maybe I could find the issue with that. Air compressor, if you guys have an issue with your air compressor. What do you wanna do? That's your air compressor right here. It's a little pump. There's a little bit of a circuit board there, nothing major. I told Chloe and maybe they can come over and switch lights. You got one here and one here on the opposite side. So if one of your LEDs wasn't working, look for a loose connection, something like that. Anything burnt up on your circuit board that could, if you guys are gonna try to troubleshoot issues with this thing. All right, I unscrewed the 4 screws in the corner here to pull out the digital display. I don't know if changing or getting a new digital display will fix it, but I'm definitely gonna try it. I didn't find anything wrong with the digital display that I could see, but I did find the part on eBay. A guy had a broken one. I messaged him and I asked him to sell me the electrical components, and he's gonna ship them to me for $14, shipped to my door. So that should fix the problem. So hopefully this video helps you out, shows you guys how to get in here and out. So nice unit, but small defect on mine.